In this video, I will show you how to be successful in trading. I will show you how to create your own strategy and no struggle again. So let's get into it. So first thing what you have to do, you have to download TradingView.com. You just go in a website, you download the desktop application or you just use it in the web, and you have to choose subscription. Otherwise you cannot use this replay mode. It's very important for doing backtesting. Also, you can get $15 discount if you go down in description and press on that link. So I will show you how to do backtesting using replay mode in TradingView. It's very simple. When you press on it, you just select your date where you want to go. If you want to go, for example, last year, November, 4th of November, let's say around 12 o'clock, let's say you can press select and it goes back on the 4th of December, 12 o'clock. And what you can do, you can start to create your own strategy. For example, how I'm doing. First thing first, I have to draw all trend lines, support, resistance. I'm using line chart because it shows the exact price, not the liquidity. Liquidity I draw after. So first I draw previous day's low and today's high, and then at the end I turn back to the candles chart and I will follow the chart. So basically you can move forward and you can see what's happening on front, and you can try to predict what will be. For example, I see some levels here. Also I see that it's downtrending now, and of course there will be short positions open because market is still going down. So I want to see again this higher point. I see also some levels here. Before I'm going short, I want to see that price goes at least here. Okay, it didn't go that far. Okay, it breaks this level here. What I want to see retest, and then we can carry on. The short side. Open. Yes, and take profit. So like that you repeat every day 10 times. For 10 days it's 100 trades. If you repeat every day, at the end of the day you will start to understand what you are doing, because I know many guys, they even finished courses and they still don't know how to create their own strategy, because they were told to do that specific strategy, but of course it's not working because you didn't repeat enough times to actually understand what's happening in there. If you, for example, if you use it and repeat it, because everything works by system, you have to repeat it until you understand it. Then it starts to work. Then you know where to open your position, when to trade, when not to trade, where will be your stop loss, where will be your take profit. For example, if you want to learn also my levels, you write down in the comment section. I will tell you where I'm looking for order blocks, fair value gaps, for example, where is demand, supply, also how I'm following volume. Those all things are very necessary, and without them you cannot be successful. Okay, we can now move forward. We can check what's happening now. It tests again order block and support. I really like how this one looks, this small liquidity peak. Also there is order block here. Yeah, let's see what price is doing now. I will do nothing, I will just wait until it plays something in my favor, let's say. Yes, and it breaks. It breaks, and then you are looking at the previous low, of course. You want to know where the price is going. And it goes even further down. Maybe it's a false break. Maybe no, who knows. So we have to wait, of course, for confirmation that we can open our next trade. But I see that New York session is over and we have to move to the next day. Okay, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I would recommend you to take some of these blocks away. Oh, maybe this one can stay because there is still order block. This one also can go away, or maybe let's leave it because it looks like this one is a big false break. And now it's making MSB possibly, but it's still moving down. So what I will do, I want to see at least that it breaks this level here. I will take it up, and if it breaks there, I will of course pay attention on the volume, and then we are going short again. Otherwise, if it goes up and it breaks this level, then we are going long, but for now, it's looking that it tests this one. That's why I will not go to the long side. Of course, I can open market position. I always want to know where is my take profit that I can make my stop loss. So one order block is here, another one is here, and also there is a fair value gap. That's why I'm sure that price will go down here, 2 to 1. I adjust my stop loss. And let's go down. Okay, it goes too slow. It's very slow. There is no volume at all. In this case, I would recommend just to go out of the trade because I don't think you want to wait all day for movement like this. Sometimes it is like that, but also we know that every time when volume is down and there is nothing happening, there will be something big after it. So it means we can maybe wait for some breakout or something. And in this case, yeah, it breaks to the upside. We got stop loss. But that's fine. If we only use 1% of our risk, then it's absolutely fine because you can never make 100% positive trades. So yeah, it's good. It goes to upside. We can try to catch some long position, 50% from the candle. 2 to 1. Yeah, and it went up. So what is your plan then? You have to write everything down. You have to do 10 backtests every day, at least 10 backtests. Because if you just calculate, it's 10 days, 10 backtests is 100 times you did trades, and you should start to understand what you are doing. And it's very useful. And of course, write down what you are trading, how much percent was your stop loss, how much was your take profit. Also, what strategies you used. And then at the end, you can see what works better for you. Of course, time frame, and also your profit, your loss. And I would recommend also, if it's possible, for you to upload picture and write some description down, what you did wrong or what you did good. It really helps, then you can easily analyze it after. It's much better. And yeah, and just repeat. Always repeat, and then you will be successful. And yeah, and if you want to learn some strategies from me, like how to draw levels, what order blocks to use, for value gaps, like I said, there is demand, supply, there is a lot of things in markets, and if you are interested, then write down in the comment section and I will start to create next video for you. Thank you very much for watching. It would be very nice if you press that like button and of course subscribe. See you next time. Bye.